Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I will be teaching you guys some withdrawal instructions for TikTok Shop, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, TikTok Shop is a replacement for the previous method of buying items through TikTok, which was a partnership with Shopify. And now that partnership has come to an end, and you can make purchases directly through the TikTok app. As you can see, I have a instruction article open from the TikTok official site. This is mainly legal instructions. You have the option to withdraw in the actual app, and I sadly cannot show you that since it is unavailable in my country, but it should be quite straightforward within the actual app. But as for the withdrawal instructions, you need to make sure first and foremost that your method of withdrawal is supported in your country or region. TikTok Shop itself is available in currently 8 regions around the world, including the Americas, I think, the United States, and the United Kingdom, and I think Indonesia, or somewhere in the Far East or Southeast Asia. And yeah, you need to make sure your methods are valid in those regions. You need to make sure that all information you provide is accurate. If you misinput some information and the money doesn't get sent or is sent to another account, TikTok is not liable for that. You are completely liable, and they are not responsible for any losses. You need to make the request under that withdrawal method which you disclaim or disclose. And this needs to be in line with the conditions that are set up by TikTok, and these can change at any moment. You also need to agree to both the virtual items and privacy policy for this to work, since you need authorized access. And if you have any other question, you can download TikTok support directly, and they should be able to help you. I hope this cleared some things up to you guys, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.